environmental report predicts global warming will bring more days of extreme heat, from the record-setting heat in Russia to the heavy rains in Pakistan, and the devastating mudslide in the rain-soaked China. Many climate scientists predict extreme heat will become more common as the Earth gets warmer. As the planet warms, the atmosphere can actually hold more water, and so when it does rain, we're getting more heavy rainfall events, and that's going to be really devastating. Climate scientist Amanda Stout of the US-based National Wildlife Federation co-authored the private organization 2010 report on extreme heat in the US. She found many of the cities along east coast of the US, when compared to average temperatures, have twice as many days that have reached over 32 degrees Celsius. She predicts this extreme heat will soon become the norm. What surprised me was that 2010 may actually be considered a mild year in 2050, or at least an average or typical years, depending on global warming, pollution, emission that we have going forward, she said. Stout and many other scientists says pollution increases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that traps heat and causes global warming. But climatologist Patrick Michaels said that exaggerates the problem. These cities are going to get and have been getting warmer, heat or without carbon dioxide going in the atmosphere. Michael said the concrete and bricks in the city trap more heat than carbon dioxide. He blames much of the extreme heat in the eastern US. This year to a weather cycle called La Nina. Amanda Stout says a long-term extreme weather wind can cause negative impacts, health problems from more energy-causing plants, food shortages from crops under stress. This summer, severe drought and wildfires in Russia suddenly reduced the world's wheat supply. Stout says a long-term solution is to use other forms of energy. We need to start moving away from reliance on fossil fuel like coal, oil, and gas, and cancelling our energy use on cleaner sources like solar, wind, and looking for ways to be more efficient in our energy use. But Patrick Michael says these are not realistic solutions. Solar is widely inefficient and has to be subsidized massively. Wind is never going to produce enough dense energy. Michael says humans have already adapted to changing environments, and wind continue to do so. It is still a lot different than many of the other apocalyptic threats that have been brandished over society from time immemorial, and for all those other threats we adapted. Aside from the debate on climate change, scientists do agree cities will continue to get hotter as they grow, add more buildings and roads.